47K. Kakadating ko lang dito pero Trader Joe's kagad. Sama yung mama ko. Gusto ko na umuwi. But magkaigo. Tuloy-tuloy ako na eh. Ito Golden Road. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Parang sa mama ko kung saan ako dinadala. So parang pang grocery tapos cafe siya.
Bro, yung try mo tarad itong old bandy.
Ugly, show yours. Show yours. Come here.
I'm spitting it out for you.
Ah, come here.
I'm spitting it out.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What are we having for dinner? So we're having steak nights. This is my baby brother. They're not so baby anymore. Sheesh. So I'm gonna edit it. Here we go. I like it. And the Coke Zero. Siyempre diet pa rin.
No, it is not.
Of course, to end our day, gym tayo.
It cannot be that good.
Mami ka lang ko.